But nope, belong.
Ooh. I'm happy. All right.
Wait a minute. Oh, did it? Oh, that was so loud. It's your reaction. I gotta let y'all hear it.
Colt don't do nothing.
Now.
Yes.
Shantice, I have somebody that's here. His name is,
I'm going for it again, y'all.
Mommy.
Whoa, that was a Quaker. That was a Quaker.